Let's begin with signing up for Wix. Go to Wix.com and click Get Started in the top right-hand corner. You can create an account with an email address or sign up with Google or Facebook. Once you log in, Wix will begin asking you a few questions about your website. You can go ahead and fill these out. Wix is going to offer you two ways to build your website: Wix ADI or the Wix Editor. ADI builds your site automatically by asking you about your needs using AI, while the editor gives you complete control with a drag and drop interface. For a photography portfolio where visuals matter, I recommend the Wix Editor for better customization. If you're new to website building, you can start with the ADI and switch to the editor later. Wix will ask you what type of website you want to create. For our photography portfolio, select Portfolio and CV category. Now Wix will give you the option to name your website. This is where you can come up with a creative name. You don't have to do this right now, but you can if you want. Or if you prefer, you can just skip it. For now, we'll continue with My Awesome Site. Now it's going to ask you about some different apps that you'd like to add. This is optional. If you know some things that you'd like to add, even if it's in the future, you can go ahead and put that in now, or you can skip it and do it later. For now, we'll have the default selected and we can hit continue. Now we'll continue to our dashboard. Now Wix is going to ask us to connect a custom domain. If you don't have a domain yet, that's fine. But if you do, you can add it here and click the Let's Go button. It will guide you through the process of connecting your current domain. Wix can also help you with that, or you can add one later. For now, let's check out some templates. Click on Design Your Website. And once again, it's going to ask us if we want to generate with AI or customize a template. We'll customize a template. Now we can go ahead and we see they have all templates, blank templates. We have collections. Now Wix has already intelligently gone and selected a photography portfolio. We can look at these different templates, see which one you like best, which fits your style, which one you think is going to resonate with your audience the best. I think this one really catches my view, so I'll select Edit. Your template will begin loading in. Once again, Wix is going to pop up and ask you if you want to have AI help you with your content generation. Maybe if you don't have specific content or haven't thought of content like your headlines and copy, it can help you with that. So you can go ahead and fill that out and then hit Generate Site Text, and Wix will handle that for you. For now, we can just hit the X right here and see the editor. You look at this and maybe feel a little bit overwhelmed. Don't be, because it's very logically organized. So over here, you've got your elements where you can add different elements. You've got sections where you can add sections, pages and menus. This is your overall site design. This is where you can add apps. This is where you can customize your business setting, like your branding. This is where you can add your media. And if you have specific blogs that you want to post, this is where you would set up your CMS system for your blog. Your website preview is in the center. You can click in there and that will make everything active. So if we click on Add Element, you'll see this box pop up. These are all your different text elements. If we click on this, we'll see the different sections that you can add. You can add welcome sections, drag it, drop it, and it'll automatically populate inside the window. We can scroll down. If you need to zoom out, you can go up here and zoom out a little bit. Make sure you save frequently. It's going to ask you about your domain. You go ahead and get one of those if you need it, or you can use your own. Whenever you're ready to preview it, you'll hit right there. We can go ahead and customize everything and click right in here. Go into your media right here. We don't have any media loaded right now, but if you wanted to, you can upload media through either Google Drive or direct upload. It also has Photo Studio. They've got free Wix images. So if you wanted to use a Wix image, You could simply drag and drop that inside there, resize it. Wix is going to go ahead and dynamically keep things in proportion for you. Everything is responsive. You can check that. You can switch to mobile view. Wix will go ahead and give you a little preview, a little tutorial. You can check that out. Shows you how it's going to look on mobile. We can go right back over to here. If you want to go in, add pages, you can see all your pages from right here. You can switch pages right here. Go into portrait page. You can direct edit that. Click on pages and menu here. You can delete pages at the click. This is a group, so this would delete all of this. You can add a menu item here, or if you want, you can click here and add an actual page. And this will bring up this menu that asks you, what kind of page you want to add. If you want to add a blank page, you can just put a blank page. Otherwise, you can select from one of these different categories. Clicking out right here, you can go into site design. And this is where you have global ability to change your color theme, your text, really everything that you could want to change throughout the website. You're able to change right from here. You can even one click into some preset themes. See it update live right in front of you. Going back to the apps feature here, this gives you the ability to add different powerful features to your Wix site. Social media icons, different file embeds, different things for marketing, ways to sell online, content, different design elements. Really an endless amount of different things that you could customize your site with and add apps. You could just click on one of the apps that you want to add and one click deploy it to your site. Sometimes there's a separate setup that you'll have to do or sign up, but it's really very straightforward and simple. The next thing you're going to want to check out before you publish is your site's SEO for search engine ranking. So what I would do is come over to settings, go to SEO setup checklist. This will bring you over to a separate page where it will go through every piece of your site one by one and help you with your SEO. So you can click get started. You just fill in your information, ask some keywords, and then it's going to come up and it's going to show you your current SEO optimization recommendations. These are all different step-by-steps that it will take you through. It'll start right here and you literally can just go step by step all the way through. It's going to make sure that your site is completely SEO optimized before you deploy, which is really going to help with your site's performance. And then whenever you're ready, you will add your domain and publish it. First, you have to have the domain active and assigned to it. Once that's done, I'll show you how to do that right now. So once you've got your site set up and it's looking good, you got your colors and your branding, you got your SEO set up, you got your domain connected, the last thing to do is hit this publish button right here. Once you hit the publish button, it's going to come up and it's going to tell you, are you sure you want to do this? Now your site is ready to go. For this site, the domain isn't fully integrated yet, but that's basically all you have to do. Just click the publish button. As long as your domain has been set up previously, it'll be immediately live and then you can view it on the web. You can check out all the pages, navigate them whenever you're satisfied. You can go, if you're not satisfied, you can go back and make changes. Wix also offers hosting with their subdomains, and that's how to set up your Wix website.